Hey, good afternoon. This is a daily trade recap for March 23rd, Friday. I've pulled out the support and resistance zones for approximately the last week here, and we can see that we basically traded within 1,100 point range from our low here of 80.90 up to 91.90. So that's an 1,100 point range for the week, which is fairly significant. If you look at our support and resistance, we basically stayed in between what we were considering solid support at 82.57 to 84.41, and then our range here, our resistance area of 90.70 to 92.90. We traded in between there. So on a short-term basis, this has led us to be range bound, but has given us opportunities in between the ranges where we've had some nice spots where we could have taken long or short positions. Let's focus in a little bit more on today and see how the week ended. And again, we'll have some new and modified support and resistance zones for next week based upon some of the trading action of late. Let's go to the video. Here we go. All right. So we knew that coming into today's trading session, the overnight bias was bearish. We started off from our strong 87.02, 87.89 resistance area, which was tapped again here in the after hours, proceeded down again towards our strong support zone. Now, I'm not always in other markets. It's probably at this time at 8:30, we hit almost a low exactly to our the bottom of our support range at 82.80. Now, you could have initiated a long position here with a stop right under that low. Now that would, hello, oh, there we go. So this could have been a pre-market, pretty regular market trade, but in a Globex trade, we're okay. If you wanted to wait till the market, the regular trading hours opened, we had a break here of our support zone, put in a big candle on big volume, and finally did tip out almost exactly to our strong support 87.02 area. So a trade initiated at roughly 82.80. If you could catch that pre-market, you could take that and follow it all the way up to our support zone of 8,700 roughly. So we're looking at about, what, a 500-ish, 400 or 500 point move per contract. If you didn't catch that, again, we don't like to chase, but once we broke out of this this support range here, we more than likely could follow that up to the next resistance. After that, we chopped out the remainder of the day, and no sellers stepped in to some extent, but no opportunities, in my opinion, for most of the rest of the trading day. So our thoughts for today were perhaps responsive buyers stepped in here at the low part of our support range. If you missed that, we could have gone again long here at the 84.40 range and tapped out as we hit our solid resistance at 8,700. So our zones were solid this week. There were several trading opportunities. I hope you all got to take advantage of some of them, and we'll talk more Monday morning with our trade plan and worksheet, prepare some new zones for you, and hopefully we'll have another good week.